going to be skydiving out of a helicopter. Never skydived before, so it's going to be interesting. I'm not even nervous. So this tandem helicopter skydive is brand new to the books, to Adrenaline. So jump online and check them out. Here we go. Okay, I'm on the ground, I'm in the car, I've calmed down, I think. That was so good. I can honestly say I did not mentally prepare enough for that. That was just mind-blowing. I've had a dream of jumping out of a helicopter for years, and thanks to Adrenaline, today it came true. So guys, jump on their website, book yours tomorrow. I'm back on the ground, but I'm going to be flying for days. Thanks guys.